This is section 2.5 on linear functions, straight lines. So most of this should be review. Have 7 to 43 odd. So we're on page 231, looks like. 7 through 17. And we have a few word problems. And I think you can just get 43 in there now. Yeah. Okay, number 7 just asks, is it linear or non-linear? F of x is 3 plus 1/3 x. You can treat it as 1/3 x plus 3. That's the m, the slope, that's the b, so it is linear. Number 9 is non-linear. If you multiply it out, it's 4x minus x squared. That's parabolic, it's a parabola, so non-linear. Number 12, r of t is negative 2/3 t plus 2. Okay, slope is negative 2/3. The y-intercept is 2, so I go up to 2. Slope of negative 2/3 means over 3 down 2, and connect the dots. 19, f of x equals 2x minus 6. The rate of change is 2, slope is 2. Okay, y-intercept is negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2. Looks something like that. 23, v of t is negative 10/3 t plus 20. Okay, so the y-axis I go to 20. Slope is negative 10/3. Okay, so this is not to scale. Here I'm counting by 5s, it looks like. But here if I go over 3, I go down 10 and connect, and there's the line. Okay, 27 and 31, you have to see the text in order to get what it's talking about. 27. The linear function has rate of change of 3, that's slope of 3, initial value of negative 1, that's the b. Okay, so y equals 3x minus 1. 31. Okay, so we have the point 0, 10, and x goes 2, 4, 6, 8. F of x or y goes 10, 13, 16, 19. That means the slope is 3/2. Or you could just take the point 2, 10 and compute the slope, 10 minus 7 divided by 2 minus 0. So y equals mx plus b, the slope is 3/2, y equals 3/2 x plus 7. Number 35, pick some convenient points like 0, 2, and 2, 1. These are half a unit here. So 0, 2, 2, 1, find the slope. The b is 2, by the way, because it touches 0, 2. 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 0, negative 1/2. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. $39. T of x is 150x plus 32,000. Okay, sketch the graph, find the slope, and what rate is the amount of trash and landfall increasing per year? Okay. All right, so a rough graph. This squiggle here means you're not doing it to scale. I'm just jumping straight to 32,000. 0, 32,000. Then if I plug in 1, I add 150, so 32,150. Graph looks something like that. Okay, slope is 150, so we're increasing by 150. The units are thousands of tons. Okay, so 150,000 tons per year. And then for 41, okay. So initially the balloon has 2 cubic feet of hydrogen. That's like the B, and the slope is 0.5. So V is 2 plus 0.5 T. And then for part B, it says the capacity is 15. So how long does it take to completely fill the balloon? I put 15 here. and solve. So 15 equals 2 plus 0.5t, subtract 2. And then 13 is 0.5t. The reciprocal of 0.5 is 2. 0.5 is a half. So multiply both sides by 2. T is 26 seconds. All right, so that was section 2.5.